Have you ever wondered what it would be like to turn your quiet nights into productive hours and actually earn money? Imagine working from home, late at night, with no one around to distract you, and making a steady income. All without needing a college degree. Sound like a dream? Well, it's not. In today's video, we're exploring 10 high-paying jobs you can do from the comfort of your home at night, with just a bit of training. These jobs are real, they're flexible, and they're designed for people like you, who want to take control of their time and finances. Virtual assistant. First on our list is becoming a virtual assistant. As a VA, you'll be helping entrepreneurs and businesses manage their tasks, like scheduling meetings, handling emails, and organizing projects. The best part? You don't need advanced skills to get started, and you can earn between $30,000 and $50,000 a year. Plus, if you take on multiple clients, you could easily add an extra $1,500 per month to your income. All it takes is being organized and willing to learn a few tools. Data entry specialist. Next up is data entry specialist. This job is perfect if you enjoy working independently and have a knack for details. Your main task will be to input data into systems for companies. The pay typically ranges from $28,000 to $40,000 a year, but many companies offer project-based work. If you pick up extra projects during your evenings, you could add another $300 to $1,000 a month. It's straightforward and a great way to boost your income without a huge learning curve. Customer support representative. Do you enjoy helping others? If so, being a customer support representative could be your ticket to a flexible nighttime job. Many companies need customer support around the clock, especially if they serve international markets. With this job, you'll assist customers via chat, email, or phone, solving their problems and answering their questions. The pay? You can make between $35,000 and $50,000 a year. And if you're willing to take on extra shifts, especially during weekends or peak times, you could see an extra $500 to $1,500 in your pocket each month. Medical scribe. Here's a job that's perfect if you're interested in the healthcare field. Medical scribe. Your role will be to assist doctors by documenting patient interactions and entering data into medical records. This job typically pays around $43,000 a year. You can learn the necessary skills in a short training program. What's great is that you can pick up extra shifts in the evening or at night and potentially earn an additional $600 to $200 per month. It's an excellent way to gain experience in the medical field without needing a degree. Ghostwriter. Now, if you love writing but don't want the pressure of your name being out there, consider becoming a ghostwriter. Ghostwriters create content, whether it's blog posts, books, or even social media content for others. This job pays well, averaging around $54,000 a year, but the real potential comes when you pick up freelance projects. Skilled ghostwriters can earn an additional $1,000 to $3,000 each month working in their spare time. If you can write compelling stories or communicate well, this could be a lucrative option. Quality assurance specialist. If you're someone who has an eye for detail and loves ensuring things are done correctly, then being a quality assurance specialist might be your thing. You'll test products or services, ensuring they meet specific standards before going to market. With a salary range of $50,000 to $70,000 a year, this role offers stability. What's more, if you take on additional projects, especially during launch periods, you can increase your monthly income by $700 to $1,500. Content moderator. For those who are detail-oriented and enjoy working behind the scenes, becoming a content moderator is a great option. You'll review user-generated content to make sure it follows platform guidelines. The pay is around $35,000 to $50,000 a year. And since moderation is needed 24/7, there's plenty of opportunity for night shifts. Taking on extra hours during off-peak times can earn you another $300 to $200 a month. Remote IT support. If you're tech-savvy and enjoy helping people with technical problems, remote IT support might be the perfect fit. You'll assist users with issues they encounter, ranging from software glitches to hardware problems. The base salary is around $55,000 to $80,000 a year, but here's the kicker. Many companies need IT support at all hours, meaning you can easily pick up night shifts and bring in an extra $1,000 to $2,000 per month. YouTube scriptwriter. Next on the list, let's talk about YouTube script writing. With so many content creators out there, the demand for well-written scripts is booming. As a scriptwriter, you could be writing for anything from educational videos to entertainment content. The pay for scriptwriters typically ranges from $50,000 to $89,000 a year. But the real goldmine is in taking on multiple projects. Freelance scriptwriters can easily earn an additional $1,000 to $3,000 a month. If you enjoy storytelling and research, this could be a fun and rewarding way to use your nights. Legal intake specialist. Lastly, if you're interested in the legal field but don't have a degree, becoming a legal intake specialist could be a great entry point. You'll collect information from potential clients and help law firms determine if they have a case. The salary is around $44,000 a year, but many firms need assistance during non-traditional hours. Taking on evening shifts could add another $500 to $1,000 to your monthly earnings. So there you have it, 10 high-paying jobs you can do at night without the need for a degree. Each of these roles offers flexibility, decent pay, and the potential to increase your income significantly by simply taking on extra hours or projects. Whether you're looking to replace your 9-to-5 or just want to supplement your income, there's something here for everyone. And now, I want to hear from you. Which job sounds like the best fit? Are you already doing something similar, or are you ready to dive in? Drop a comment below. I read every single one. And if this video gave you new ideas for making money from home, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. I've got a lot more content coming your way to help you level up your income. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.